So Bob, I see that here we don't have the usual rollers that you find common in the industry as guides to the entrance of the puller. What have you done there?
Well, what we've learned from high-speed lines is actually use a medical guide feed tube with a slot in the side rather than the rollers. And it's twofold. One is for safety and using a walk-through type of a guiding system rather than putting your fingers in. The other is to help when we're processing very sticky, tacky, low-durometer materials. They tend to roll up and down a guide system, and they can cause some chatter in your tube and movement, which could actually affect the pull speed. So with this, we feel it's a much simpler and a much better feeding guide system to one of these precision units.